feedback for Cola drinks. We're doing a project on it. Okay, so just will take about 2-3 minutes.
Not a problem, not at all a problem. Yes.
So, you drink any vitamin? Oh,
Yeah.
which one is your favorite if you can ask?
Thumbs up.
Ma'am, yours?
Dew.
Dew. Any specific reason that why you like Dew? मतलब I mean taste में या कुछ ऐसा कुछ?
मेरा तो अभी नहीं.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, आपका
Thumbs
sir?
up?
Not a thumbs up just because it is strong.
Strong, अच्छा.
Just because of Salman Khan, you can say.
Okay.
Just because it's strong in taste. You can have it like I buy that 500 ml bottle, and if you drink it, if you open it in the morning and if you want to drink it in the evening, it tastes same.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not like Pepsi. Pepsi, if you drink in the morning, in the afternoon it will go like Limca or something like that.
Sweetens up.
Ah,
Okay.
that's it.
Have you tasted Pepsi Atom?
It's a new drink which ma'am, we have actually if you want to taste.
We just
we
want
can-
to.
No, I have it. It's having a like a smell of that. What do you say? Long and all that.
Okay.
Very strong.
So you, when
I-
compared to
I-
Thumbs Up, do you find it good or not good? No, not good.
No, not good.
That ma'am, you not tasted.
I haven't.
It's a kind of masala chai.
Do you want
It's a
to
chai
taste,
and it's a masala chai.
Okay.
So just to tell us any difference if you find it between.
See, I'm not fond of soft drinks. I'm fond of tea or the coffee. So that's the reason I used to have that.
Yes, it's only for the taste perspective. Nothing.
Okay. That's okay.
Not a problem. And you remember the advertisements of Pepsi?
Yes. There is one recent ad that Ranbir Kapoor is eating that
No, that's a
No,
Pepsi.
that's a
Pepsi
Pepsi.
Atom man.
Pepsi Atom.
कौन सा एक नया हीरो आया था उसका मैंने देखा they were fighting and something else. I don't know the name of that. He was a
Sushant.
TV serial actor. That
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Raga Hassan song.
Yes, perfect.
Do you like that ad? I mean, what do
It's
you
good.
like about it? मतलब वो concept अच्छा लगा या funny था या क्या था?
Funny.
Funny.
It was funny. For me, it was funny.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And have you seen on ground any promotions being happening for Pepsi Atom? So of late, the
Holdings I've seen just holdings. Pepsi Atom.
Okay, that's fine.
In 8 rupees, I guess, right?
I,
No, 200 ml in 8 rupees.
Yeah.
So those hoardings you've seen. So not
Yes.
on ground any promotions like when people.
I had the jingles, radio jingles.
Okay. You remember the tagline?
एक दिमाग से पंजा लड़ाते समथिंग ऐसा कुछ है कुछ लोग नहीं कुछ लोग हाथ से कुछ है एग्जैक्टली नहीं आ रहा कुछ दिन पहले सुना था
We have few options if you can remember by seeing this.
पियो जोश में जियो होश में.
Yeah.
ये वाला yes.
It is.
Yes. Right.
Perfect. And this is a final thing. So there are cases where we generally consume a soft drink. Is maybe when we go to a McDonald's, KFC, on restaurants, just roaming around. Or it's basically on a premise. Or maybe we take a cold drink back home, for parties or something.
Gatherings
So what
of
kind of where would you associate yourself? Okay, I see myself having cold drink most of the time in such regions, such occasions. I see myself.
Where do you prefer
having
cold
outside.
drinks most of the time?
I drink cold drink in my car.
Okay, so in your car.
I do. I drink and drive.
Okay.
I drink and drive.
Your McDonald's. Okay, so here you prefer Thumbs Up and you prefer Coke.
I prefer it.
Dew.
And if you're if you're supposed to say go for a party, you're throwing a party at home. So what kind of a drink
Which
would you
drink would
prefer
you-
to have?
All is great area. Whatever you decide.
Thumbs up, Coke.
Okay, so you'll get both or
नहीं, because it depends basically कि पार्टी में क्या क्या है. ठीक है. If there is like dew or it's like Sprite.
Okay.
I prefer Sprite more than like. Apart from Thumbs Up, I prefer Sprite.
Okay.
If Thumbs Up is not there, I prefer Sprite.
Okay. So
Okay.
be it a family party or be it a friends party,
You'll go
thumbs
for
up or
thumbs up.
Sprite. Okay. Okay.
And like you said sir कि मतलब कार में आप पीते हैं जनरली सो एनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन की प्राइवेसी या ऐसा कुछ है कि
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
बस
It's
यू
not a reason. She is with me all the time. Privacy की कोई बात ही नहीं है.
Okay. Okay. Right. We are done. Could we just have a snack with you?